President Bola Tinubu has pledged more support for the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, in its fight against substance abuse and illicit drug trafficking. The president made the pledge as special guest of honor at the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, otherwise known as World Drug Day, in Abuja. Speaking on the theme, the evidence is clear: invest in prevention. President Tinubu, represented by the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Senator George Akume, enjoined all and sundry to support the War Against Drug Abuse WADA initiative launched by NDLEA 3 years ago.
I commend and urge everyone to redouble their efforts to combat drug abuse and trafficking in the country. On this score, I wish to reassure you of this administration's support. The Renewed Hope agenda places the youth at the center of its focus. Therefore, we shall ensure that our young people are protected from anything that could derail their future or destroy their potential.
He noted that illicit drugs and substances had wreaked havoc on individuals, families, communities, and countries worldwide.
In the face of such a formidable challenge, prevention is the most potent weapon that we can deploy. Prevention not only saves lives, it also saves resources that would otherwise be spent on treatment and rehabilitation. It empowers individuals to make informed choices, promotes healthy lifestyles, and creates resilient communities capable of withstanding the pressures of drug abuse. Investing in prevention is not merely a moral imperative, but a prudent way of safeguarding our future. By allocating resources towards evidence-based prevention programs, we can break the vicious cycle of drug abuse and protect our youth from falling prey to the menace.
Brigadier General Mohammed Buba Marwa, retired, Chairman, Chief Executive Officer of NDLEA, said the Save Our Families social advocacy campaign launched at the ceremony by the President was designed to prevent and tackle drug use through early detection and intervention by making the agency's newly produced special drug test kits a necessity in every home, school, and workplace.
Test is intended for secondary school students seeking admission into tertiary institutions, and returning students, workers in government and private offices, and individuals seeking political offices, as well as prospective couples before taking their marriage vows. The drug test will serve as a tool for the prevention of drug use and early detection of the individual's status of drug use for the purpose of appropriate intervention, including treatment and rehabilitation. Let me also add that our drug integrity test, which has been adopted by some government institutions and tertiary institutions in the country, is a preventive mechanism. This is for use in homes, schools, workplaces, and others. Apart from helping in early detection of drug abuse, especially by our youths, so that we can get them help in form of treatment, this will also create some deterrence effects.
Dr. Oliver Stope, the outgoing United Nations Office on Drug and Crime, UNODC country representative, urged an extension of the program to cover all public and private schools.
Allow me to recommend, after the exceptionally successful testing of the school-based drug prevention program Unplugged, involving 500,000 school children across Nigeria, the program should be rolled out to all 28,000 public and private secondary schools. Secondly, we need to enhance the resilience against drug use among the millions of out-of-school children, for example, through sports-based initiatives such as the Line Up Liver program.
The most important place where this prevention fight starts from is actually the education sector. And we will do our own part. Even last week, it was something we considered, the policy to review the existing policy on it, so that we can work with NDLEA to take it to secondary schools and primary schools.
Chairman, House of Representatives Committee on Drug and Narcotics, Honorable Abbas Adigun, called for more budgetary provisions for NDLEA in the face of its multifaceted mandate.